possibly a few vehicles stuck on the north end.
There you go. That's how big boys with toys work.
That was pretty good, right? You can go and bring them right to us right here. Cool.
What's up, guys? So I actually got a call from one of the lifeguards saying that there is possibly a few vehicles stuck on the north end. So we thought we'd go up there, check it out, take you guys along, and see if it's worth making a video out of. Stay tuned.
White truck got himself out.
Yeah, I saw. So that Sequoia was stuck,
Yeah,
and they got themselves out.
This hole.
How?
Blue guy got
They rocked it.
Forward.
Yeah.
Now he's trying to set up to pull backwards, I think.
And what's the white vehicle that's getting stuck? And is that vehicle
sheriff.
down there stuck or no?
No, I think he's
Oh,
just
okay.
chilling.
Oh.
All right. What up?
I watch all the videos.
Oh yeah.
This guy, this is too heavy.
Possibly a few vehicles stuck on the north end.
I couldn't get my truck from the front. I was gonna try and pop him up on the hung stuff on that back side. I just haven't done it yet, but I can let you guys take over. I don't really want to screw my truck up.
I mean, he didn't call me. Clearly, he's having you do it. So do your thing. If you can't get it, you know.
If I can't get it, then
Yeah. Don't get yourself stuck. Can you see it from where you're at? I can't.
Oh, that one doesn't open.
Just let me see it. I got it.
Actually, since we don't really need this, I guess.
All right. Well, I can just use mine. Okay. Oh, okay.
I'll just take
Is it recording?
Let's see if you get stuck again. You got stuck doing it the last time.
Get out. Here, Christian, you want to get out and take this? Appreciate it. Is it your truck? I can do it. I'm a full insurance tow company though. I would hook up to the front most likely. Let me take a look actually. So what I'd probably do is I'd have you get in there and move it a little bit and get that wheel as much turned that way as you can. I'll put a kinetic on the front and I'll just try and bop it out going forward. If I can't, then I'll winch it out. But I'll get it out no matter what. Are you in 4 high or 4 low?
Low.
Okay, stay in low. Let me get hooked up. I think this is my 30. This stuff is sandy from that last situation we were in. Okay. Okay.
That's
Yeah.
all I can do.
That's good. That's good. When I go to hit, I want you to be giving it a little bit of gas. I want you to start with a little bit. And when we go, if we start moving, give me a little bit more. If we sink, wait, I'll do it again. And if I have to, I'll winch it. If we get moving, just follow me. Leave tension on the line. We'll follow my tracks. We'll take it all the way to the ramp, okay? Hey, get out of the way a little more for me. Good? Ready?
Actually.
That's my boy. Okay, there you go. There you go. Santo!
Another great save by Santo.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
Cool.
Just like that. You gotta show them how it's done, right? I know, right? That was pretty good, right?
Very good. Bro.
Pretty good.
That's how big boys with toys work.
Yeah, I was like, you know what? I might as well show off a little bit coming out. Hey, you have a good one, all right?
too.
What was your name?
Jesus.
Jesus? John.
Jesus.
Nice to meet
Thank
you,
you,
man.
guys.
Yes,
You guys
sir.
are amazing.
Yes, sir. There you go. So, there you go to get it done, baby. He's out. He's on his way. So are we. You guys flipped upside down mid-pull. That's wild. Woo! Wow. See ya.